Hey everybody, I'm Lynn. Welcome to A Bit of Birdsong. I'm out in my workshop and I wanted to show you some of the things on my desk and show you something that I'm going to put into my October journal. I am working on putting a little book together that's going to go inside of my Halloween journal. And little books within books are so much fun. I found some pictures of an old, it's called Bills of Mortality. It is from the 1560s, or no, the 1660s. And it is a record of the people dying and what they died from. It's really pretty disturbing. The diseases and casualties this week. And this is the 17th of December to the 3rd of January, 1664. We've got aged, apoplectic, one says cancer and one says canker on some different things. And I don't think these are all casualties, but diseases as well. Stopping of the stomach, spotted fever, sore breast, fever, flocks and smallpox, French pox. Some of it's really hard to read. Ugh. Rickets, rising of the lights. I'm not sure what that is. Rupture. Anyway, some really neat old pictures, and I kind of put them into a collage on 4 different pages, and I tried to place them so that it will make a book that makes sense. And that was not necessarily the easiest thing to do, because I had to figure out what would print out front page, back page, and that sort of thing. Now, okay, that's going to be the next page. I think I want to try to just line up the bottoms and the tops, and then maybe I can round all of the corners at the same time. And those may be my famous final words. So we've got, I'm not sure if I messed that one up or not. I might have. Let's just keep going. Let's just see. Yeah, it's not going to be quite right. This was pretty challenging. I had 4 windows open at one time, and I was trying to fix it so things would print. So that's that and that. My spatial reasoning is not bad, but it needed to be a little bit more on point for this. And you know what? It could have been the way I printed these. Maybe I kind of lost track of what needed to be printed where. Okay, so we're just gonna go with it. Okay, I've got that there. Let's do this. And go ahead and fold it. Now, I wonder if my scissors are strong enough to cut through all of these layers. The page is kind of a taper, which you don't want because it makes some different lengths. So you got to hold the paper really tight. And that's a neat little book. Oh, but I don't really want those 2 side by side, but it looks like, well, that's not bad. Maybe that's really not bad at all. There is snake root. Okay, well, we're just going to say that's good enough. I want to see if my stapler will go through here. So today at work, the store is typically closed on Mondays, but some of us went in to work on some things for some upcoming sales, and I had to make a very large, I didn't have to, I wanted to. I made a very large sign advertising for the sale, and I'll put a picture of that. The sign is really huge. I think it turned out pretty good though. I definitely think you can read it. So maybe next, I'll see if I can distress around the edges. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Bills of Mortality. We have the inside cover there and the first page. I got that right. The next page. Now, yeah, that, I like the mushroom page and the snake root. I'll have to do some more planning. So this should be right because they're on the same page side by side. And I do realize that every page couldn't be that way because you've got to make like this page talk to, you know, its counterpart 2 pages away, and it just got really complicated with this many pages. I'm sure I can do it. I just wasn't careful enough. Love these images of the doctor masks that were worn during the plague. How scary would it be to have your doctor come in and see you looking like that? But they stuffed these bills or beaks, it looks like a raven or something, with herbs and pieces of fabric and things to hopefully kill or offset the disease. I don't think they had any idea where it was coming from or how to handle it. You know, over time things were figured out, but can you imagine how scary it would have been? Let's trim this a little bit more. And some of these old images, I just love that look. Of course, there's some old bottles, 1754, by the King's Royal Patent granted to Robert Turlington for his invented balsam of life. So I could have switched those. I really didn't pay enough attention to the words. I love that image there. So this is not bad. I like it. Let me grab my journal. Actually, I don't even think I have my journal out here yet. I brought a bunch of things out here. I did find some new paper that I bought. Just 3 sheets. I thought that was really beautiful. Sort of this is Stampington. Somerset Artist Papers, Lynn. I've seen a lot of her art in the magazines. These are really beautiful. We had quite a few of these, or not a whole stack, but sometimes we get just 1 or 2 of something. But this was a nice collection of these papers, so I was lucky enough to be able to get a few of these. And what else do I have? Oh, we got a lot of cool stamps. Where's the other pack? Did I not bring it? I thought I had it. It's out here somewhere. I've got 2 packs of stamps, and these are large passport numbers. So this is 1 through 9 and then the 0, so you can make a 10. And 2 symbols. We've got the ampersand and the pound sign. And then I have another whole set. Where did it go? It's the letters, so I won't try to look for it right now. And here we got quite a few of these. The Tim Holtz Distressables and Doodads, 2005. So look how old these are, like 17 years old on these. So I was really surprised to see these. I think somebody unloaded a huge collection of paper and such. And then I'm gonna have fun going through this. This is just a bag of trim and scraps, basically. And, you know, things like this are really fun to work with. So I will have fun going through this. This is going to make an amazing junk journal. I think it's going to have to be pretty massive. Or maybe a really large wall piece or something. I don't know. Or a crazy handbag. I've been wanting a handbag or a big shoulder bag. Oh, look at that trim. That's really cool. That's Velcro. That needs to come out because that'll cause some damage. Oh yeah, that's kind of neat though. That's a really good strap to store something. See that? Yeah, that's handy. Okay. Let's move these off of the desk. Got quite a few things on the desk right now, and I got some Happy Mail quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. Carolyn, I think you sent this. Now, if I'm wrong, please correct me. I hope I'm not wrong. This is pretty cool, and it looks to me like aluminum foil that's been wrapped around. Maybe that's heavier than aluminum foil. What is this? Is it a metal tape or like a, you'll have to tell me. That we've got all of these images or designs underneath, these little trinkets and puzzle pieces. And then it looks like it has been painted up and distressed. So I definitely would love to hear more about this. Carolyn also sent me the most adorable little journal. Look at this truly junky little junk journal. It is so sweet. I mean, it's very small, but it's very chunky, and it's got all of these adorable pages full of everything, and it's got some of these little creatures like right there, like a little bun that Carolyn draws, and I love that. They're so cute. Those are the cutest bunnies. Bunnies, or wait, yeah, they look like bunnies. Little buns, as I like to call them. So I've just got some precious things on the desk right now. It's just so adorable. This is the kind of thing, like if I take this to work and put it on display, it just inspires the customers so much. We have so many materials that are available for purchase and to use in our make and take room. And this is the kind of thing that causes people just to go want to make something. Now, I do have a bunch of other stuff. This paper is beautiful. It's like a tissue paper. Listen to how crinkly that is. There is a piece of that in my Halloween journal, and I think I didn't really mention it when I was flipping through the last time, but it's so pretty. You can sort of see through it. Oh, I love it. So that's got that. I'm going to move it because it's going to be so loud we won't be able to hear anything. More tissue paper to wrap things in that I'm mailing out. Let's see what else I've got. I think I've got some calendars and things from the barrels in our store. Thought it would be fun to cut some words from this because all of the words are so amazing. They're textured, they're bold. That's fun. A couple more calendars, different shoes. What else do we have? There's a historical calendar of Durham. These are always fun. Oh, and this was fun. A really large, create your own calendar, 2017, but I thought it would be fun to cut some of this up and use it in collage and that sort of thing. Let's spread this out. So these are really pretty. Someone has made these little charms. They have the metal around them. Now they don't have anything to hang from, but I have some bales. I'm looking for those now. I think I can attach those like with some epoxy and have some really beautiful charms. Yeah, look at that. So I have the bales ready to go, but these are just adorable, really pretty. Dream, imagine, create, wish, and love. And that says Carla on the back. I wonder if someone named Carla made this, or create, no. Anyway, so I've got those. There's more lace. That was from a different day, a different bag. Another little planner. I think I got that pretty much for this really pretty heavy paper there. Maybe to punch some tags out. Some little treat bags. Funeral picture. There's Rowena Ravenclaw. A medal number 2 that I may put on in my Halloween journal. There's an old label from a box. I'm really excited about these bees. that's one of my favorite things right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I love these. More Halloween stuff. I've got a mess out here. I love all these. I've got some bags of potpourri that's going to go into some handmade paper. Put all those over here. I'm going to stop for now. That I really wanted to show you this. And what I would love to do is put together a little book of the doctors during the plague. Just gives me chills. So this is it for now. I've got to clean this room up. The whole entire workshop is a mess. Look around me on the floor. And there's stuff everywhere. I just have piles everywhere. And you see that coffee cup right there, that's an accident waiting to happen right there. It's just, look at my hair, how crazy it is. It's just from working out here. You can see the desk is covered. I have piles at my feet. My chairs are full. And it's basically every corner is full. But I do love it out here a lot. It's my happy place. And then back there, that's where I've been like cutting up paper and stuff to make journals. I got to get cleaning. And it smells kind of, not bad, but you know how if you bring a lot of things in, what I think it is some linens that I brought in. And I just feel like there's a musty smell there. So I want to wipe everything down with essential oil, especially lemon. And the citrusy smells, it seems like they really clean. So I'm going to go for now. I'll be back really soon. Bye.